Zoinks, everyone! So this is another fun Hot Wheels day. It's not going to be a fun day just to check out this model, but I'm going to do some 3D printed wheels as well, because this is a Mainline. It didn't cost that much. So, and I just, I was looking at these Mainlines, and I didn't realize that this one actually has front printing. Most of them I thought just had blank fronts and backs, like this is a blank back. But the front itself is actually in pretty good shape, so I figured I'd pick it up. Anyway, so it's not a real car, of course. I'm not going to really be scrutinizing it. One thing that I'm noticing that it's cool besides the front printing is actually there's like a mirror inside there. You know, it's a hanging rear view mirror, which is kind of weird for a van with no rear view windows. Right? You have a rear view mirror, I guess, to see what ghosts and monsters are in the back of the van, I guess. Anyways, these are pretty cool wheels. I think they're alright, but looking at the real Mystery Machine, it has like these flower patterns on them, so that's what I figured I do, pull out the 3D printer for that. Let's see here. There's a little bit of casting contaminant there, and yeah, the back is a bit plain, so the most I can do is probably add some silver to the handles and maybe some red or something to the rear lights. But oh boy, that's a big casting problem also. Unfortunately, you couldn't see that from the blister because it was against the card. And then another thing I do notice that's missing is the silver paint on these rails up on the roof. Oh boy, didn't notice that either. So that's really interesting. The casting itself, I guess this is where the metal flows in and out of the mold. And unfortunately, they didn't shave it off very nice before they painted it. Oh well, for a couple bucks, I guess I can't complain. I mean, when it comes to value, it's pretty hard to argue against the Mainline Hot Wheels here. So it's just for fun, really. So, all right. So let me, excuse me. Let me just put it here, and I will be back with hopefully some better flower wheels. Okay, and so we're back with some new wheels, and I think it turned out all right. It was really hard to actually match this green. I literally had to mix, a couple colors to try to get that color going. But I happen to have orange as it was. I didn't want to go with regular symmetric wheels. It looks like, on the cartoon that this flower is hand painted on, so it's not actually even, the petals. So these petals are purposely goofy looking, as if someone hand painted some hubcaps or something like that. So then I added a little silver paint here on the door handle, the rear handles, a little silver and red here for the rear lights, and then the silver rails, a little masking tape, and some silver paint up there. And that's really all I did. It's better, I guess, than it was before. In particular, I just like the wheels. I think it looks more like the cartoon. So, unfortunately, after buying this, I researched the Mystery Machine, and it turns out that there's a couple better versions done by Hot Wheels with more colorful wheels. And then there's also a Johnny Lightning that even looks better than the Hot Wheels versions. So it seems like I'm going to be collecting more of these Mystery Machines. This is my starter, but I'm going to eventually get some nicer ones, I think. And then maybe there'll be a video comparing them later on. So, darn hobby, opening doors for me to spend money on other models now. But anyways, I'm pretty happy with this one. I mean, it's a Mainline. It's so inexpensive that it's all about fun. And I definitely had fun with this. And I used to watch Scooby-Doo as a kid, so it's kind of bringing back a little nostalgia for me. Alright guys, well, I hope you enjoyed the video, and we'll see you around the next time.